Hello everyone. Let's talk about the prominent personalities in the chartered accountancy realm of India. As we all know, India is a place of chartered accountants. And of course, they are the precious personalities who've contributed to the financial progress of our nation. So today, we're talking about the wealth of chartered accountants we have in India. Kumar Mangalam Birla, Deepak Parekh, Naina Lal Kidwai, Manoharan and Rameshwar Thakur are those prominent figures whom we discuss here. As we know, Kumar Mangalam Birla is the chairman of the Aditya Birla Group. Mr. Birla is the richest CA in India with a net worth of 2,360 crores in USD. When his father died in his 30s, Kumar Mangalam Birla had to take over the business at a very young age. Under his visionary leadership, the Aditya Birla Group has expanded its footprint in over 36 countries across 6 continents, becoming a global enterprise with businesses in metals, cement, textiles, carbon black, telecom, and financial services. He has won the CA Hall of Fame award, and during the event, he thanked his father for pushing him to pursue the program as it has helped him shape his business empire. His impressive list of recognitions, like the International Advertising Association's CEO of the Year award, highlights his exceptional impact. With an MBA from London Business School and his chartered accountant qualification, Birla stands out as a titan in the business world till now. His accomplishments show how a professional qualification like the CA helps in your business journey. The next personality we discuss here is Deepak Parekh, the chairman of the Housing Development Finance Corporation, also known as HDFC. Mr. Parekh has been a driving force behind HDFC's evolution into India's leading housing finance company, helping to make affordable housing a reality for many. He completed his CA in 1965 in his first attempt. He has worked with top companies like Ernst & Young. At his time, the firm was known as Winnie Murray and Company. His crisis management skills, especially during the financial sector turmoils, are well recognized. His role on high-level committees and his Padma Bhushan Award in 2006 underscore his influential contributions. Parekh's background as a chartered accountant from the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales adds to his distinguished profile as the chairman of HDFC. Up next, we have Naina Lal Kidwai, the former chairman of HSBC India. Her contributions to the banking sector are commendable. Kidwai pursued her chartered accountancy from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. As one of the few women in a predominantly male-dominated field at her time, her journey was marked by determination and perseverance. She made history as the first Indian woman to graduate from Harvard Business School. Her leadership at HSBC India navigated the bank through various challenges, fostering growth and expansion of the firm. She's also been a strong advocate for sustainable development and women's empowerment. She runs an NGO named Grassroots Trading Network for Women. Her impressive career earned her the Padma Shri in 2007. Then we have Manoharan, the former president of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. His passion for the profession and commitment to excellence became evident early in his career. Manoharan's leadership skills and dedication to the profession led to his election as the president of ICAI. He played a crucial role in enhancing the professional standards of the institute and advancing the interests of chartered accountants in India. His role in resolving the Satyam scandal, one of India's biggest corporate frauds, restored investor confidence and revived the company. His contributions to accounting standards and corporate governance have been invaluable. Recognized with the Padma Shri in 2010, Manoharan's influence extends through his directorships at major companies like Tech Mahindra and IDBI Bank. Finally, we have Rameshwar Thakur, who has served as both president of ICAI and governor of multiple Indian states. His tenure at ICAI significantly enhanced the profession's standards and global reputation. His influential roles in states like Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka showcased his commitment to effective governance and financial management. Thakur's public service earned him the Padma Shri in 2000, marking a legacy of dedication and excellence. These chartered accountants have left a lasting impression on their fields and society, illustrating the significant role of expertise and leadership in the accounting profession and beyond. So, what do you feel after hearing about these inspiring life stories? Don't you want to add your name along with these personalities? Enroll in the Chartered Accountants program at the Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya and become a pioneer in the commerce industry with us. Thank you so much for joining us today, and to learn more about commerce professional courses, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.